Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a triangle in C++. All you have to do in triangles is just create nested loops, a for loop inside a for loop. As you can see, I'm writing down for a is equals to 0, a is less than or equals to 6, and a plus plus. So this is the big for loop, and inside it I will create the nested one. For b equals to 0, semicolon, b is less than or equals to a, semicolon, and b plus plus. And now you have to see out the digit with which you will make the triangle. It can also be any number, any letter you want, but I'm going to use asterisk for it. I'm going to write C out end line, or you can write backslash and inside semicolons. And as you can see, it has created me a perfect right angle triangle. So that's it for the video guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.